Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on your Windows 10 using only keyboard shortcut. The normal way to create a new folder on desktop is to right click and then go to new and then click on folder, and now you can rename it as you want. And if you want to make it with only a shortcut using a keyboard, click and hold these buttons on your keyboard, Ctrl and Shift and then N, and it's gonna create a new folder in here as you can see. If you do it again, it's gonna make another folder in this way. And if you want to delete them, just click on it and click delete button on your keyboard too. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. See you next time.